all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them.
Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's guys, I got some water bottles and I was really excited to unbox them and to have them. So let me show you guys the unboxing and everything. Look who finally got water bottles. Finally, I've been planning to get water bottles for years. So I love the color. I love the color. So this one, there are 3 in 1. This one is the first one. Then there is the second one. This one is the second one. I love black. Then there is the third one. This is the third one. See? So yes, 3. And then I got this separate one in case I need a different color. Yeah, finally I have water bottles. Finally. Yay, I'm super excited. I'm super happy. This has been on my bucket list for I don't know how long. Now I finally have them.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to me live. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they need to shita. And then I really put it too far. Midnight was not shita. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there.
If you see Sly amemaliza chakula, just know the food was good. Before me. It's good. Na mwingine ameamua biriani ikule na kijiko.
Mimi sikuli na kijiko na imenishinda.
But how can you eat biryani with the kijiko? Definitely.
When you go to a restaurant at home, I don't use food.
Why unaogopa nini kwa restaurant?
The image.
Sisi ni wa Kenya. Kwani sisi ni wazungu?
Hautaki kuharibu jina.
This is how you should eat biryani, and not like this, please.
That's where I go, my
So yes, guys, we are at Liwaza and we're just from eating. The food is good. It was chicken biryani. The chicken biryani, I can give it a 8 out of 10, and we had passion fruits. The passion fruits, I can say 9 out of 10. So if you're in Mombasa and you're looking for a place to eat good Swahili food, definitely make sure you check Liwaza. They have different branches. They have one in Lebanon, one in Modeni, one in Kilifi, Twapa, Papuri. So whichever the location, you can get one close. Liwaza.
I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn the clock together. I'm here 'cause it's love. Hold you for now.
Those are shots we need.
Who drinks with two straws? Tukue serious.
Okay.
That's where I go, my I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm.
So this was the next day. I had another shoot at B House. So I'll also be taking you guys behind the scene so you guys see the struggle that we go through before putting the content out there. So yeah, today I just decided to take you guys along to show you guys the behind the scene when we are shooting food content or restaurant review. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far.
What would you recommend if I'm to order something?
Nyama choma
Okay.
with ugali.
Wow.
It comes with spinach, steamed veggies, then with a salad, kachumbari. So you choose for yourself. You like kachumbari, salad. Or
No, let me do the spinach. Let me do the veggies.
That's where I go, my I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn the clock together. I'm here 'cause it's love. Hold you for now.
Ready? Wow, this food was just amazing. I had the mbuzi choma. Oh wow. And ugali and vegetables. If you eat and you see like the bones came out like this, just know how tender and soft the meat was. This is like home food away from home. Yes. Oh wow. The juice was passion and
Well, me and food. Now let's make pizza from scratch. Yeah, we'll be doing some pizza. So I visited B House and I found them like they were in the kitchen, they were making pizza. So they invited me to join so that they could show me how they make their pizza. So I was like, yes, I'd love to see that. So now let's make some pizza.
I wanna be in your life.
night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for now.